The U.S. Department of Defense has recently released the latest version of its cybersecurity framework, the Cybersecurity Maturity Model Certification 2.0. This updated framework has far-reaching impacts on the entire defense industrial base. The CMMC 2.0 framework sets new cybersecurity standards for all contractors and suppliers in the DIB, including small and medium-sized businesses. With more than 300,000 companies in the DIB, this new standard will have a significant impact on the industry. The CMMC 2.0 framework requires organizations to comply with a range of cybersecurity practices, from basic cyber hygiene to advanced threat detection and mitigation. The framework is divided into 3 levels, each with increasing levels of cybersecurity requirements. To ensure compliance with the new standards, DIB organizations must implement robust cybersecurity solutions, such as Kiteworks. Kiteworks' modernized secure file and email data communication platform supports the DIB's ability to remain compliant with nearly 90% of Level 2 requirements of CMMC 2.0. With its advanced security features and intuitive user interface, Kiteworks provides a complete solution for organizations looking to meet the demands of CMMC 2.0. By using Kiteworks, DIB organizations can be confident that they are taking the necessary steps to protect their data and meet the new cybersecurity standards set by the DoD.